What is going on? No, too soon. What is up, F100 World? Guys, it is time for another part install. Yes, this part, no, not that truck. In fact, we've already installed this on that truck and swapped it out for something else. You guys want to find out what that is? Check up here. I'll put the video somewhere up in the abyss. Maybe you guys are watching this on YouTube or F100 World or Instagram or TikTok. It's like 1 in 200,000 membership chance that you guys have seen some of those videos. But if you're interested, go check them out. F100 World or CraigerCo Classic. However, actually, we're going to put it on a different truck. I have another F100. Can you believe that? This one I'm going to try to put on my black truck. It is nestled somewhere behind you there with about 17 projects started on it. So naturally, besides finishing those, we're going to do something else. I want to see if I like this on my black truck and see if the kit that came with it fits it. Maybe even better than this truck. Let's get into it. Excuse the mess, of course I got one project to finish, so why not start another. Here's my steering wheel, black steering wheel. I've got like a chrome black thing going on the inside, or the whole truck actually. So I'm actually going to try to break it up a little bit by installing that steering wheel. No, they all shouldn't be that easy to take off. That's what she said. So this kit actually comes with this kind of wonky thing here, and has a bunch of pieces. I don't know what they do that I didn't use when I installed it on my last truck, so I'm just going to see how it installs on this one. There's a space here, but there is a sleeve, and I think, yeah, I think it, oh, well, now I know what the sleeve's for. That's cool. It filled that gap up nicely. Sweet. Installed the nut to kind of lock it down. This actually didn't really lock down very well in my 65, but it's kind of a resto mod, so it's a little hodgepodge. That's to be expected, I suppose. It seems like it's pretty tight on this one. So this steering wheel is sort of, as I said in the last video, if you guys watched it, kind of based off of like Cobras. Yeah, Mustangs, but more so the AC Cobra, sort of a racing steering wheel. I actually like the ones that have the single piece cut out, but I do like these circles pretty well. So it sort of just bolts on. Kind of wish I had my dash in though, so to complete the imagery, I suppose. Let me find those bolts. So it comes with these pieces right here, and as you can imagine, that's what sort of completes your horn and how you bolt it on, so the steering wheel stays onto that wonky bracket I showed. So we'll see if it works. Comes with really nice bolts that I now have to find a hex head for, which I already found. Set it down. A week later, don't know where it is. So I just moved into the shop. I have a lot to figure out, and I should not be installing this, but here I am. All right, let's do this. Do not trust those there. So I'm gonna stop there. I didn't connect the horn or anything yet. I just wanted to see if I like it, and it's a little loose. I had that problem on the 65, but I think this issue is I haven't tightened the bolt down entirely, as usually there's a spring in there that kind of pushes and gives it tension, and I think that's what this is supposed to do, this big old chunk of metal. So yeah, I kind of like it. Let me imagine that I'm shifting here. Kind of breaks up all the darkness that goes on in here. Yeah, okay. I am gonna figure this out though real quick, but yeah. Very nice. Well, if you guys want to see more details on this install, I'm going to post this, and you guys just let me know if you guys want to see some serious details on it. To be honest with you, that was the easiest install I had on either truck, even though that one was a little confusing. Again, I can post that video up above here. I've installed it on my 65. I believe that steering column used to be a 3 on the tree, so they're slightly different. But the install on this was really straightforward. There's not really anything to tell you except take off the old steering wheel, take off the old spring, put the random chunk of metal on, put the sleeve on, put the bolt on, use the little Allen bolts to bolt it onto the big chunk of metal, and you got yourself a fancy steering wheel. Don't forget to connect the horn. But if I do decide to, which I think I'm going to, I still obviously have some work to do here. But I think I'm going to install it, or rather leave it. Cool. What's going on, guys? Have you hit that subscribe button or the follow button yet? Please do so, as it tells the algorithm that you guys like our content, and it makes it happy so that we can continue to promote parts as well as trucks and other classics to the world. We really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye. subscribe, hit that follow button. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Also, what should I name my truck? The red truck that you guys saw in the beginnings of the video, or this black one? Appreciate it, and stick around. We'll install what's in these sometime soon. Thanks, guys.